Hello friends, actually this video is requested by my friend. My friend asked me to show how to apply SPF. I didn't know how to apply SPF before. When I apply it, I put it all over and tears would be coming out from my eyes when I walk outside. It was irritating my eyes. I decided to make this review. Stay tuned. Let's do it. This the particular one I use. This is Neutrogena here. It has SPF 100 plus. So this is how I do it. I put it here, put here a little bit, then I work it all over my face. I make sure I don't reach this eye area, because if you reach this eye area, it can irritate your eyes. It's not going to make your face white. It's quite moisturizing, and it doesn't give you pimples. So it's going to protect you against the sun damage. It has high SPF 100 plus. This one has 50 plus. I prefer this one. It's so good. So thank you very much, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye.